I have to show you how hyaluronic acid ruined my neck and then what to do about it, because this type of hyaluronic acid is in almost every skincare product out there right now. If you look at the back of your skincare products, you're gonna be shocked because it's gonna say hyaluronic acid on almost everything, and it's annoying because low molecular weight hyaluronic acid, which is the one most people use, can go into the skin, which sounds really good. It's supposed to be a hydrator, but low molecular weight that goes into the skin can actually suck moisture out of your skin and make it super dry. I have a crocodile neck right now. I'm gonna show you because of hyaluronic acid in something that I tried that was new that I didn't catch that's low molecular weight. I used the product one time and it did this. I don't know if you can see this. This is crocodile skin right here. It's red, it feels terrible, rough, and it's hanging there right now, and there's nothing I can do about it until I rehydrate it, which I'm gonna have to do with Centella Asiatica cream, zinc oxide, like baby diaper cream all night long, and my balm, because that's the only thing that will heal this skin. So if your skin is looking dry and crepey and it's really annoying you and you don't know where it's coming from, it may very likely be from the good face products that you've got, the ones with the HA in them. I made a high molecular weight hyaluronic acid serum recipe that you can make in about 30 seconds at home. It costs about $1 for a huge amount. You can put it all over your body and your face and your neck, and that's gonna be on top of your skin, providing a hydration shield. Your skin will be dewy, it will be soft, it will be awesome. It will not look like a freaking crocodile, and you can do this yourself and not have to buy those hyaluronic acid serums or products containing it anymore and mess up your skin too. Sometimes aging is coming from really surprising sources, ones that are supposed to be helping your skin and not harming it, but this is a big one for me and maybe for you too. Let me know if there's hyaluronic acid in any of your face and skincare products. So go grab that recipe. You can store it in the fridge. Now I've got a way for you to keep it outside of the fridge like any other product. This stuff is amazing and I think you're gonna love it. All right, well, I've got a few days to go before that heals, but just a little public service announcement for you.